Okay, so here's the truth about the 31st of July tax deadline, and almost nobody explains it properly. Miss it? Miss your payment on account? That's the advance payment towards your tax bill, and there's no instant fine, no penalty, no 5% charge that day. So you can relax for about a second, because the moment it ticks past midnight, something switches on an interest meter. From the 1st of August, HMRC charges you interest. Right now in July 2026, that's 7.75% a year, every day until you pay. On a £5 bill, that's about £1 a day, just ticking away whether you notice it or not. So no, missing it won't fine you overnight, but it's not free either. Hello and welcome back to Money Under the Microscope, where we make finance clear. And in the next few minutes, I'll show you what it actually costs, the total legal way to pay HMRC less on this deadline, and what to do if you genuinely can't pay right now. First though, a quick one. You might not even owe this. You're off the hook if last year's income tax and Class 4 national insurance came to under £1,000. Or if at least 80% of your tax was already taken at source through your tax code. Your HMRC online account shows the exact number. Go and check it. Everyone else, stay with me. So, being late costs more than it used to. Now, one quick thing. I'm recording this in July 2026, and these HMRC rates track the Bank of England base rate, so the exact number can move. Check today's figure, but here's how it works. Back in April 2025, HMRC set the late charge at the base rate plus 4%. Right now, that's 7.75% a year, and it bills every single day. On a £5 payment, that's about £1 a day, every day until it's gone. But here's the bit nobody tells you. When you pay HMRC late, they charge you that higher rate. When they owe you, repayment interest is far lower, about 2.75% today. And whatever the exact numbers on the day you're watching, the gap is baked in. Late always costs you around 5% points more than they'll ever pay you back. Same government, same year, and it's not in your favour. So, if that feels a bit unfair, good, because there's a completely legal way to hand HMRC less on the 31st, and hardly anyone does it. That's next. If your income's dropped this year, you might be about to pay HMRC more than you actually owe, and they won't ring you to warn you. Here's why. Your July payment is based on last year's tax bill, not this year's. So if you've earned less this year, you're overpaying in advance. Here's the fix. You ask them to reduce your payments on account, online through your latest tax return, or by post. The form's called an SA 303. But one trap, don't lowball it. Cut it below what you really owe. HMRC charges you interest on the shortfall, backdated to the original due date. And if you guess low with no real reason, you can even get a penalty. So, be honest, reduce it to what you'll genuinely owe, not a hopeful guess. Just a quick one from me. This channel's brand new. It's just me and a microphone, no big team behind this, so if any of this is saving you money, a subscribe or a share genuinely helps. Right, back to it. Now, what if you genuinely can't pay by the 31st? Don't just ignore it. That's the worst thing you can do. If you owe up to around £30,000, that's the online threshold at the moment, and you've filled in your tax return, you can usually set up a time to pay plan yourself. Online, spread it over monthly direct debits. 2 things to know. 1. Interest still runs inside the plan. It's not free money, but it does normally stop HMRC chasing you, as long as you keep the payments up. 2. Timing. Some ways of paying aren't instant. A first-time direct debit can take 5 working days to clear. So, if you're paying, don't leave it to the 31st. Get it moving by Friday the 24th at the latest. Earliest is safer. So, the whole thing in one breath. Miss the 31st of July, it won't fine you overnight, but the meter starts on the 1st of August, 7.75%. Income dropped? Reduce your payment. Honestly. Can't pay? Set up time to pay before the deadline, not after. Do just one of those today and you're already ahead of most people. If this helped, hit the subscribe button. It really is just me and a mic, and it means a lot. Then tell me in the comments, has HMRC ever caught you out with a deadline like this? See you on the next one.